Aloha, this is Jungle Joe. Do you need hinges for a garden gate or chicken coop gate? All you need is an old rubber boot. So here we have our old boot and some metal cutting shears to cut the rubber. You could use a knife or scissors. Cut a strip about 3 or 4 inches wide and then cut the strip in half. Get some screws and washers. Take the strips, fold the rubber in half so it's doubled up, double thick. And then you want to take your screws, put the screws through the rubber, and then attach them to your gate, to your post and to your gate. And you're good to go. And then we added a little spring here from a trampoline to close our gate. Like and subscribe for more videos. And here's a time lapse of our Guava gate build if you're interested.